What's up, OPT Nation, and welcome back. Today we are diving into the latest MODbox and KNECT releases from Klein.
We know it's been a hot minute since we've showcased Klein's take on modular storage, but we've got a lot to cover, so let's get into it.
First up, if you're not familiar with Klein's MODbox line, check out this video here. They've been constantly innovating since their launch of this system, and we've seen some pretty unique additions we're not seeing from other storage systems. One example is their wire tool dispenser, which we did an overview of here, and was an excellent addition considering their primary tool users are electricians. The new utility cart is another. This thing takes mobility to new heights, literally with a 39-inch height, which is a significant difference compared to most standard carts that measure out at 33 inches. The utility cart helps keep you mobile and reduces strain on your back by having the items you need at a height that is comfortable.
It's not just a utility cart though, it's designed with MODbox in mind. The side rail allows for easy attachment so you can lay it out however best suits you.
Next up, we have Klein's new rechargeable dual beam LED work light with 360-degree rotation along with a strong magnet for hands-free use. It pumps out 3,000 lumens for 3 hours on a single charge, and the time goes up the less lumens you need. Obviously, it's also part of the MODbox system so it can attach right to the rails on whatever setup you've got. Running low on power? Take a look at the battery gauge and then use the USB-A cable to top it off. It's also worth noting that it's dust and water resistant.
Moving on, a common complaint we've seen with all modular storage that's out there today has been a lack of easy access to your larger storage solutions when you've got your stack built on top of it. Thus, we were introduced with the storage drawer. Klein has a couple different drawer options for MODbox now, including 2-drawer rolling toolbox with a deeper bottom drawer and included dividers to help keep you nice and organized. No one wants to search for a tool they know they have, but just don't know which drawer it's in. Move around a staggering 250 pounds with ease on the huge 10-inch solid rubber wheels.
While you're at it, add on the insulated 5-piece Electrician's Tool Kit. It comes with a durable protective foam insert and keeps everything right where it belongs.
Last up for the Mod Squad.
The Mod Squad.
They've rolled out a MODbox folding workbench. This thing supports 1,000 pounds of evenly distributed load. Check out the recessed areas for clamping. Quick setup, easy to store, bring with you. You already know that it's compatible with the MODbox rail accessories. Even includes reference measurement markings for making your life that much easier.
Okay, now let's run through the KNECT lineup products. If you don't know what KNECT is, it's an innovative, interchangeable, impact-ready driving and fastening system. The multi-purpose adapters make the switch between screwdriver handles, impact wrenches, and pass-through sockets as easy as connect and go. Socket sets, screwdriver kits, and nut driver kits, all with easy access storage cases featuring a compact modular system with a clear lid that is compatible with the MODbox ecosystem. First up, we've got the Flip 10 Heavy Duty Flip Impact Socket Set. This is metric and 8 pieces, and it combines 10 metric sizes into 5 color-coded flip sockets. Comes with a compact stackable MODbox compatible case. Benefit is fewer tools, faster swaps, and highly portable. Next up is the 1/2-inch drive Deep Well Impact Socket Set. This is metric and 14 pieces. And they're also nestable with the MODbox case. The benefit? Easier access in tight spaces, system flexibility, and quick organization. Moving on, we have the 1/2-inch drive Deep Well Impact Socket Set that is SAE. It's also a 14-piece set. It's the same design as the metric version, but in SAE sizes. Color-coded as well with MODbox storage and KNECT M compatibility. Benefit? Powerful, rugged, and organized.
Next, we've got the KNECT Flip 24 Deep Well Heavy Duty Impact Socket Set, SAE and metric. Got deep well sockets and integrated small parts tray inside the MODbox case. The benefit of this, maximum versatility, deep access, and organized storage. Next, we have the KNECT Impact Pass-Through and Deep Well Flip Socket Set. MODbox ready, compact case with clear lid. The benefit of this, it lets you tackle threaded rods and deep bolts with ease and precision. Then we have the KNECT Essential Pass-Through Impact Socket Set, SAE and metric. It's impact rated, compact, and modular for system integration. Benefit of this guy, one set handles handheld and power tool needs, and it's ideal for tight access jobs.
Next up, we have 3 sets of sockets. These are the Quad Series flip socket sets. And these flip sockets contain multiple hex sizes in one. First up, we have the 3 socket set, which gives you 12 SAE sizes. Moving on, we have the 4 socket set, which gives you 16 SAE and also metric sizes. And finally, the 6 socket set that gives you 24 SAE and metric sizes. These are all color-coded, deep-weld, heavy-duty, impact-rated, and MODbox compatible. Benefit: size variety in minimal space, compact, efficient, and drag-free. Moving on is the impact-rated multi-bit screwdriver nut driver set. 46 pieces. Impact-rated modular case for job site carry. Benefits: seamless tool transitions, extensive bit selection, and an organized kit. Next thing we got on the list is the impact-rated screwdriver and socket set with case. This is a 41 piece, all included, of course, MODbox compatible. 1 set for screws, sockets, and nuts, all organized, tidy, and ready.
We also have the Flip 16 ratcheting impact flip socket screwdriver set. It's 8 color-coded flip sockets covering both SAE and metric sizes, and it includes 3 adapters. It's got a compact case with a clear lid so you can see everything inside it, and MODbox stacking. The benefit of this guy is going to be quickly moving between sizes with a ratcheting screwdriver style tool. And there we have it. To wrap it all up, you can organize by tool type, sockets, multi-bit sets, and hybrid drivers. Many of these guys are impact rated, stackable, MODbox friendly, and adapters connect across Klein systems. So you're going to have less gear, faster swaps, deep clearance access, and compact storage.
And that's all we've got for you today. Hope we helped you guys learn something new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.